If you're watching this, you know you're in Antras Zouk. Today I'm here with a very simple Niramish dish called Pepe Conto. Niramish means a dish which is made without onion, garlic, and any living organism. For this recipe, I'm using an unripe papaya which is freshly plucked from my community garden patch. We first cut it in big chunks and then skin the papaya. Now, using a box grater, I prefer the widest setting. I grate the flesh of the unripe papaya like so. Now the dish comes together in no time at all. And it pairs well with some dal which is cooking in the pressure cooker and white steamed rice. All this comes together in almost no time at all. To start the recipe, I heat some mustard oil in a kadhai. Take a handful of bori or sun-dried lentil drops and fry it in that oil till it's golden brown on all sides. It must get crispy and completely cooked through at this stage. Set it aside on a plate to cool down. Add another tablespoon of mustard oil in the kadhai and drop in a dry red chili and let it turn dark brown on both sides. The smokiness of this step is crucial in this dish. Now make space for half a teaspoon of nigella seeds, which needs to splutter in the hot oil, and add 2 slit green chilies as well. Fry it till it releases its aroma in the oil. Now add the grated papaya in the flavored oil. And mix well. Season it with salt, a pinch of sugar, haldi powder and red chili powder. All these masalas to taste, but the sugar is mandatory. Trust me on this. Stir well and cook covered on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. You need to keep stirring it every now and keep checking whether the papaya is fully cooked through or not. If it gets dry, like mine did, add a splash of water to help the papaya shreds cook evenly. Once the vegetable has considerably cooked down, add the lentil drops. Crush it slightly so that its flavors mingle with papaya shreds well. Cover and let it cook for another 7 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Season the final dish with salt, another tiny pinch of sugar, and more slit green chilies. All this, of course, to taste. The fresh flavors of this dish is amazingly clean and simple on the palate, as well as on the tongue. Garnish it with a bunch of coriander leaves and serve it hot with rice and dal. If you like what you see here, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And yes, please let me know in a comment below what all recipes you want to see me make next time. Hope you come back soon to us. Cheers!